Hi! Do you want to talk about something we all love? That's right! Have you ever wondered, ano kayang meron sa kinakain ko? Maybe you want to hear about nutrients. Nutrients, these are the compounds in our food that provide us energy, that facilitates repair and growth, and it helps to carry out life processes. Examples are carbohydrates, protein, fats, and minerals. There are two types of nutrients. There are macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients provide energy to a living being for the function of the metabolic system. They provide massive energy as it is converted, used to obtain energy. Macronutrients include fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, while on the other hand, micronutrient provides essential components for metabolism to be carried out. They also build and repair damaged tissues in order to control the body process. Micronutrients include calcium, iron, vitamins, minerals, and vitamin C.
So we're done knowing what is nutrients and its two categories. We're going to proceed to the nutrients that our body cannot synthesize and should taken externally through food. The first one is the carbohydrates. But let me ask you first, do you love to eat rice or bread? If yes, those are examples of carbohydrates, our main source of energy. Carbs also give us the fuel we need to move, think, and play. They come in three forms. The first one is fiber, sugar, and starch. So remember, carbs aren't bad. They just need to be part of our healthy diet. The second one is the calcium. Do you know what part of our body calcium have the most? Yes, you're right. It's the bones and teeth. Calcium makes our bone and teeth stronger. It's also important for our nerves. And we can get calcium through the food we take such as milk, yogurt, tofu, canned fish, and green leafy vegetables. And if we don't get enough calcium, we might develop weak bones, a disease called osteoporosis. Now, let's talk about cholesterol. Oops, not all cholesterol are bad. It's actually essential for our brain, nerve, and cell development. It also helps makes hormones and enzymes. Foods like milk, cheese, chicken, beef, and fish are good source of cholesterol.
So now, we are going to talk about fats. So, ano nga po ba ang fats or ang taba? So, ang fats po is one of the most important source of energy from our body. And ang fats po is nagko-contain siya ng 9 calories, which is 2 times po siya sa calories na pinoproduce ng carbohydrates at ng protein, which is po is yung protein is nagpo-produce lang siya ng 4 grams per calories. So, meaning po nun is, napakalaki po talaga ng part ng fats po sa pagpo-produce talaga ng energy ng ating body. So, next po is ang iron. Ang iron daw po is constituent po siya ng ating red blood cells. And yung function daw po ng iron is to carry oxygen from our lungs to mga organs natin, muscles, and cell. Also daw po, kapag kulang daw po sa iron ang ating katawan is maaari daw po tayong manghina or mawala ng lakas since yung dumadaloy daw po na oxygen sa ating katawan is hindi maayos since yung nga pong function nga po ng iron is nagsusupply po siya ng oxygen from our lungs to our body.
So now, what is protein? Protein is made up of amino acids which serve as the building blocks of our body. They are important for repairing tissues and building muscles. We can obtain protein from foods such as nuts, lentils, beef, rice, chicken, and other meat products. And now, let's talk about sodium. So what is sodium? Sodium is present in foods like milk and fresh vegetables. It helps maintain the balance of fluids in our body and supports proper muscle and nerve function. However, a lack of sodium may lead to health problems such as high blood pressure.
Good day everyone. Today I'll be talking about the important function of nutrients in our body. So the first one is nutrients. Nutrients are our body's main source of energy. They also help build and repair body tissues, which is vital for growth and recovery. Nutrients are increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and help in the synthesis for collagen, which keeps our skin and tissues healthy. They also provide structures to our blood vessels, bone and ligaments, and help maintain the balance of our body. So, the next is minerals. Minerals are solid and organic substances that form crystals and are essentials for body functions. And they are divided into two groups, which is the trace minerals and macro minerals. Trace minerals like zinc, iron, iodines, which we need in very small amounts, and the next is the macrominerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which we need in the larger amounts.
Now here are the functions of the macro minerals and the trace minerals.
So, vitamins are essential nutrients that our body needs to function properly. Think of them like small and powerful employees inside our bodies. Without them, nothing runs smoothly. There are 13 vitamins and they're grouped into two teams. Team water-soluble and fat-soluble. Water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water, which means our body doesn't store them, so we need to get them every day from food. While fat-soluble vitamins, on the other hand, dissolve in fat and can be stored in our body, so overeating them isn't a great idea. More isn't always better. What are included in the water-soluble team? Basically, the vitamin B and the vitamin C. B vitamins act as coenzymes. Imagine your body as a car. The food you eat is the fuel. B vitamins are the spark plugs that help convert your fuel into energy. B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12 help with energy production, metabolism, and red blood cell formation, while vitamin C helps form collagen for healthy skin, boost immunity, and acts as an antioxidant, basically a body shield. In the fat-soluble teams, there are vitamin A, D, E, and K. Now, team fat-soluble A, D, E, and K, these are like the VIP guests. They stay longer in the body. Vitamin A is important for your vision. Vitamin D works with calcium for stronger bones and teeth. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects the cells like a bubble wrap for your body. And vitamin K helps with blood clotting. Without it, a small cut could turn into a horror movie.
Eating practices. Eating practices involve conscious behaviors related to food selection and consumption related to health and well-being. These practices include maintaining a balanced diet by eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, while limiting sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats. Mindful eating, which involves eating slowly without distractions and stopping when full, is another important habit that can improve digestion and prevent overeating.
Let's be honest, between busy schedules, cravings, and convenient food everywhere, making healthy choices isn't always easy. But small habits can make a big difference. Let's break it down. Number 1 is to plan your meals. Think of meal planning as your weekly roadmap. When you already know what you're eating, you're less tempted to grab fast food or skip meals. It's like telling yourself, relax, I got you covered. For number 2 is to cook at home. When you cook, you're the boss. You choose the ingredients, the flavor, and the amount of oil, salt, and sugar. Plus, it can be fun. Try new recipes, experiment with colors, and enjoy the process. Your body and wallet will thank you. The third one is to not skip meals. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals might sound like a shortcut to staying fit, but it's actually the opposite. It slows down your metabolism and makes you hungrier later. Think of your body like a car. You can't expect it to run well with an empty tank. Number 4 is to snack wisely. We all snack. The trick is choosing smart snacks. Keep fruits, nuts, or yogurts on your hand so you're ready when hunger strikes. Remember, your snack should fuel you, not drain you. Read food labels. Lastly, before you toss that item in your cart, check the label. Look for less sodium, less sugar, and fewer unhealthy fats.